Good morning. This is Andrew from My Investors Place. My Investors Place is a website for investors that can network with each other and discuss all the pertinent issues that are happening, meet friends, discuss, post, put their blog up. The reason I want to make this video, I want to talk about gold. And for those of you that are not familiar, what happened yesterday, gold had one of its largest moves. And yesterday gold was up about 11%. And the reason that was up, well, there's always a reason why or not why, but the Fed came out, the Treasury Department came out with their plan called the Supplementary Financing Program. And it's a very scary thought, which really gives them a license to print money. And print money means inflation, and really one of the ways to fight inflation is to have gold. And gold just took off yesterday, and today gold is up another 2.5%, well, actually a little bit more, 2.77% the last I looked. And it's not really the issue, what's gold doing? There's more to it. And the key point here is, everyone's saying, what do you do? And it seems like everyone wants to be told what to do. And this kind of negates their responsibility of being told what to do. And what I say to clients, or what I say to investors, my thoughts are basically this shouldn't be a knee-jerk reaction, even though this is a dramatic event that we'll remember the most throughout the rest of our lives. But you don't really want to make any knee-jerk reactions, and you want to take everything into consideration. And more so, what is the whole point of this is to really have a plan. So gold took off. Do you just buy it today? It's up 11%, or actually, excuse me, yesterday, and another almost 3% now when I'm looking. I mean, that's a big move. And what would you do if it goes down? I mean, you know what? You have to weigh all these out, what to do. You need to have a plan. And this plan, you do it two ways. One is that you go with a trusted money manager that understands risk and looks to take low risk trades or low risk bets. And it keeps you out of trouble. Because I remember in '91 where in the first Gulf War, the price of crude was spiking, and people were freaking out and buying crude. And then you know what? It turned around and crashed. And these people lost a ton of money. So really, what is the whole point of this? I want to invite you to my social network, which I'm the administrator of. And actually, it's called My Investors Place. And really what I'm doing is I'd like to invite you to discuss these pertinent issues, because there is no answer personally for you. You need to learn how to make that right decision. And again, like two things I said is you can go with your trusted money manager as long as he can put on low-risk trades, or you take the responsibility on your own and you have a plan of how to invest your own hard-worked money. A plan that takes into account where the trade works, where the trade doesn't work, how much risk you're going to take on. And you can learn these things at My Investors Place. And I'm available. You can email me. I'm willing to chat with you, try to teach you. I've been in the field since 1994. I've been doing everything from hedge funds to managed futures. I'm a strong believer in managed futures. Again, be careful when you do a knee-jerk or fear-related trade. You know what? And there is no right answer. I mean, gold can continue up to several $1,000s, or it can turn around tomorrow. No one knows. Absolutely no one knows. And once you can put that into your perspective that really no one knows, you have to develop a plan. And that's how successful investors invest and trade. And I urge you to join us at the social network site, myinvestorsplace.com. I invite you to blog. I invite you to the forums. We're just starting out, and I hope you join us. And I'm available for any questions or any thoughts. Again, I'm on the site. I'm always there. Thank you. And again, this is Andrew from myinvestorsplace.com.